Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to show or hide file name extensions on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To show or hide file name extensions on Windows 11 computer, open your File Explorer. Look here. All file names are without extensions. No extensions are showing here. Now I'm going to show extensions here. Click on View. Then go to Show. And here you will find file name extensions. Just click on file name extensions. Look, now all files are showing with extensions. If you want, you can hide in same way. Just click on View. Now go to Show, and now again uncheck file name extensions. Look, now file name extensions are hidden right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.